Okay, hello. Hey guys, it is, me, Mario Fan Live, and today I will be telling you how to, do, basically how to play, older worlds on newer worlds if you're playing into snapshots. Now, basically what I mean is, on 20W15A, or 21W15A, I'm still not used to saying 21, um, basically it has stopped letting you play uh, worlds from 21W06A to 21W14A. So I'll be telling you how to play those worlds um on the new version. But one good thing about the new version is that 1.16 worlds and snapshot worlds before the world generation do work on the new version. So if that's what you're looking for, you don't need a tutorial for that. Just go in and you'll be able to play it. But if you're looking how to play it with the new world generation, I'll be telling you guys how. So first things first, you're gonna want to go to Google or whatever web browser you have and go to Minecraft.net. Then you're going to go to Community and then scroll all the way down to here. And then go to latest change logs. And then search 21W15A. And this should show up. Okay? So here is where the changelog you want to go to. Scroll down a little bit. Or actually not that far. To the Caves and Cliffs prototype data pack. Okay? So what you're gonna want to do is download the data pack. Drag it to your desktop or downloads or whatever. Just drag it somewhere. And then press extract all. So once it is extracted, locate the file here. Okay. You don't need this anymore. So you can delete that. Actually, I'm going to delete all of this. Yeah. So then what you're going to want to do is, if you already have a world, then don't do this step. But if you don't have a world, and you're just testing this out, then make a world on 21W14A. Again, if you already have a world, so you gotta wait for Minecraft to load. It will take a long time for me because I'm on a lower end PC. I'm literally on a laptop. Not sure if the stream's laggy or not, So let's wait for Minecraft to load. My dogs can shut up. And not sure if you heard my dogs, but they started barking, and I didn't like it. 20W14A is starting up. Let me actually check if there's any questions while I'm waiting. Also, if you're wondering why there's no face cam, it's because I'm not really feeling the best. That's probably why I also sound a little bit different. But no. Okay. Okay. So if you have this background, then you've already loaded it into 21W15A. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do is, well, you don't have to do what I'm doing, but I'm doing it for better streams. Okay, so better stream performance. Let's do that. You know what? Let's also turn on VSync also for a better performance. Because on most devices, it's useless, but I have 2 test worlds here that I both got to work. This one I didn't really know how to. Okay, so create new world. Again, if you don't have, if you already have a world, then you don't have to do this step. So, create new world. Okay. Now the data pack will be important later, but you don't need to add it right now. So, just wait for it to load. Okay. Not sure if the stream's a little bit, if it's laggy or not, but because it's really delayed. But so, what's my renders? Is that 3, and I can show you that the blocks and biomes will convert over. Let's get some 1.17 blocks. Let's get some warped stuff, crimson. Let's also get some tinted glass, some slabs. Honestly, kind of forgot tinted glass was in the game. Okay, so yeah. Now that that is done, um, now that that's done, you can quit the game. And if you don't have this downloaded, you're gonna want to download this. It's NBTE. No, it's NBT Explorer, and this allows you to get into the files of Minecraft Java Edition. So let's go to dogs. Hey. Okay, let's go to our new world, and then level.dat dogs. Okay, so now that we're on level.dat, we have 3 things to change. Versions, you're going to want to change this 6 to a 9. You're going to want to change this 4 to a 5. And then here you're also going to want to change this 0 to a 9. So press on save. Now go to your Java files. The way you can do that if you don't have the shortcut is Windows R, %app data %, .minecraft, and then now you're here. So go to saves, and then locate your world. Go here, go to data packs, copy this data pack, and paste it. Okay. So now that we've done that, let's go to Minecraft Java Edition. Okay, so now that we're here, we're going to go to 20W15A. Okay, so now you're going to let this load just a little bit. might take a little bit to load because you edited some files, but it should say down here 20W15A snapshot. And then you go to single, see that your doesn't say loading with this world with extended height is disabled. It will just be there. Now, well, if you have a higher end PC, it will be faster. If it says this, you know that the data pack is working and you're doing everything correctly. So after you've done all that, you should see this message. If you're nervous about your world getting corrupted, create a backup. If you're not, then press I know what I'm doing. Okay, and as you can see, it takes a little bit to load because it's wondering what version this chunk was generated in. But after that, you have all the blocks. You have copper, and all the blocks you placed will not be affected. Now, if we do /game mode spectator, you can see that if I go down, there is still the new caves. The caves have not been affected. That's what the data pack does. It's an official Mojang data pack, so you don't have to worry about getting viruses or anything. It's official. It's official from Mojang. It's from their website, so I don't have to worry about any of that. Hey, look, we found some diamonds. But if we look, we're at -25. So yeah, the data pack just enables the features from 20W14A. And as you can see right here, there are no chunk errors, which actually kind of surprised me. I thought there would be chunk errors. But no, where's our stuff? Placed. It might be a little bit lost. Should be around here somewhere. Now keep in mind this is a data pack, so it might break some things later on, but for now it is completely working. Blocks are still here. Support myself back to 0, 0. See, these chunks were generated before I moved.